In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to sign players in Fantasy Premier League Draft. Signing players works differently from the regular FPL game. You don't just pick anyone from the pool. Each player is unique to one team in your draft league. When your league draft takes place, managers take turns choosing players. Once a player is picked, no one else can have them. The draft continues until every squad has 15 players. Once the season is underway, you sign players through waivers or free agency. If you want a player already in the pool, you submit a waiver request before the weekly deadline. If multiple managers request the same player, priority is given based on the waiver order like a queue system. If successful, that player joins your team and one of your existing players is dropped. After the waiver process clears, all on-claim players become free agents. You can immediately sign them. First come, first served. Again, you'll need to release someone from your squad to make room. You can trade directly with other managers in your league. Send them a trade offer. The trade only goes through if both sides accept. So this is how you can sign players in Fantasy Premier League Draft. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.